Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see your saved answers in the Brainly app. First you have to open up the app. It opens up in the home menu. From here we just have to go into the profile menu and then tap on saved answers. Here basically what happens is we can bookmark an answer by tapping on the bookmark sign in the top right corner, and we will find these answers here. And now we can check those questions, those answers, I mean, that we have saved. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.